Imagine a camera that can capture images beyond the realm of our human vision. Welcome to the secret world of Google Gemini. Picture this for a moment. A camera that doesn't just capture images as we see them, but dives deeper, reaching into the very fabric of light and time to bring forth details we couldn't even begin to comprehend with our mortal eyes. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of Google's clandestine project, the Google Gemini. This hush-hush venture, hidden away in the labyrinthine depths of Google's research and development department, has been in the works for some time now. Its mission, to revolutionize the world of camera technology as we know it. But what makes Google Gemini so special? What makes it stand head and shoulders above the rest? What secrets does it hold? Well, while we may not have all the answers just yet, we do have some tantalizing snippets to share. Google Gemini goes beyond the capabilities of any camera technology we've seen before. It's not just about snapping a high-resolution image, it's about capturing the world in a way that's never been done before, transcending the limitations of our human vision to illuminate the unseen. Of course, with a project as secretive as this, there's bound to be speculation, mystery, and a fair share of questions. How does it work? What makes it different? And more importantly, what could this mean for our future? These are just a few of the questions that swirl around the enigmatic Google Gemini. But here's the thing, the truth, as they say, is stranger than fiction, and Google Gemini, with its potential to redefine our understanding of photography and visual perception, is no exception. Its potential is as vast as it is exciting, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. So, are you ready to dive into the 10 shocking facts about Google Gemini? Buckle up, because this is going to be one exciting journey. First on our list, the Google Gemini camera's capabilities are beyond anything we've ever seen. Imagine a camera that doesn't just capture images but understands them. A camera that doesn't just see but perceives. That's what the Google Gemini camera brings to the table. It's not just about megapixels. It's about intelligent pixels. This camera is the brainchild of Google's secret project, Google Gemini. It's a game changer, a disruptor, a revolution in the world of photography. It's not just a camera, it's a vision machine. It's about capturing moments not just in high definition but in human definition. This isn't your typical camera upgrade. This is a leap into the future, a leap into a world where cameras do more than just capture, they understand. They bring your world into focus, not just visually, but contextually. With such advanced technology, the question is, what's the catch? Fact number 2, the development of Google Gemini has been kept under wraps. Google, known for its innovative and groundbreaking technologies, has been working on this secret project behind closed doors. Imagine the world's tech giant operating in stealth mode, meticulously engineering a camera technology that could potentially revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with our surroundings. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The Google team, under the Google Gemini project, has been able to maintain an impressive level of secrecy. This tight-lipped approach is not new to Google. Remember the Google Glass? That too was a well-kept secret until its public announcement. It's this culture of confidentiality that has kept the tech world on its toes, eagerly waiting for the next big thing. What's more intriguing is the scarce information that's been leaked about Google Gemini. It's like trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle with half the pieces missing. The mystery deepens, doesn't it? But wait, there's more. Fact number 3. Google Gemini could change our society in ways we can't even comprehend. This revolutionary camera technology is set to redefine the way we interact with our world. Imagine, for a moment, a world where we can capture and share moments with unprecedented detail, providing us a new lens through which we view our reality. This is not just about taking better selfies or creating more immersive virtual realities, it's about changing our perception of what is possible. It's about breaking down the barriers between our physical and digital worlds. Moreover, Google Gemini could potentially revolutionize industries far beyond photography and social media. Think about the implications for fields like healthcare, education, and even law enforcement. But it's not just about the technology. It's about how we, as a society, choose to use it. The potential of Google Gemini is vast and boundless, limited only by our imagination and our willingness to adapt. Imagine the world with Google Gemini in it. It's almost like stepping into a sci-fi movie. Fact number 4. As with any advanced technology, there could be potential downsides. Let's take Google Gemini, for instance. While its revolutionary camera technology promises to redefine how we capture and perceive the world around us, it's not without its share of concerns. Firstly, privacy. The unprecedented level of detail captured by Gemini's camera could potentially lead to invasive levels of surveillance. This could, in theory, result in a world where anonymity becomes a thing of the past. Secondly, the possibility of misuse. In the wrong hands, Google Gemini could be exploited for nefarious purposes. Imagine a scenario where the technology is used to infringe on personal liberties or even for criminal activities. In conclusion, while Google Gemini is certainly a game changer, it's important to consider the potential risks and downsides. A balance must be struck between progress and privacy, innovation and intrusion. With great power comes great responsibility, and Google Gemini is no exception. Fact number 5. Google Gemini is just the beginning. Now let's dive into the future of this intriguing technology. What does Google have in store for us with the Gemini project? Let's unfold this mystery. Google's vision for Gemini extends far beyond just a cutting-edge camera technology. This is not just about capturing images or videos, it's about redefining how we perceive the world. It's about creating a new language of visual communication, a language that speaks in pixels and frames, yet tells stories more profound than words ever could. The tech giant envisions Google Gemini as the cornerstone of its future endeavors in augmented and virtual reality. With the ability to capture the world in unprecedented detail, Gemini could serve as the eyes of Google's virtual beings, enabling them to perceive our reality as we do. Imagine stepping into a virtual world that's as rich and vibrant as our own, all thanks to Gemini's camera. But that's not all. Google Gemini could also revolutionize industries like real estate and tourism. Imagine being able to tour a house in 3 dimensions from your living room, or visit the Great Wall of China without leaving your couch. The possibilities are endless, and Google is just scratching the surface. Moreover, Google intends to make Gemini an open-source project. This means that developers from around the world would be able to contribute to the project and use its technology in their own applications. This could potentially lead to a plethora of innovative applications that we cannot even begin to imagine today. However, it's important to remember that all of this is still in the realm of the future. Google Gemini is a secret project, and much about it remains shrouded in mystery. But one thing is certain, Google is not one to rest on its laurels. It's always pushing boundaries, always innovating. And with Google Gemini, it seems poised to usher in a new era of visual technology. Google Gemini may just be the start of a new technological revolution. So buckle up, folks. The future looks bright, and Google Gemini is leading the way. There you have it. 10 shocking facts about Google Gemini, a secret project that could potentially change the world as we know it. From its hidden existence to its unfathomable power, its secretive development, and its potential impact and downsides, we've delved deep into the heart of this enigmatic project. We've explored the astounding capabilities of the Google Gemini's camera technology, a marvel that has the potential to revolutionize our perception of the world. We've delved into the clandestine development of this project, a journey shrouded in secrecy and filled with anticipation. We've also pondered on the potential societal impact of Google Gemini, a tool that could redefine our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. But we've also been honest about the potential downsides and risks, a necessary consideration in the face of such powerful technology. The future of Google Gemini is still largely unknown, but one thing is clear: its potential is immense. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, we're left with an intoxicating mix of excitement, curiosity, and a hint of trepidation. The world of Google Gemini is a world of infinite possibilities, a world that promises to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But as we venture into this new frontier, we must also remember to stay informed and keep the conversation going. Your thoughts, your opinions, your insights matter. The future of technology isn't just in the hands of the developers and the tech giants, it's in our hands too. We can shape it, guide it, influence it. And that starts with staying informed, asking questions, sparking debates. So let's keep this conversation going. Let's delve deeper, question more, and learn together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive and updated information. Like and comment on this video to let us know what you think about Google Gemini. Stay tuned, stay informed.